Recording will now start.
The fuck are you doing?
Average player base. Unfortunately, Blizzard really hates giving out data about their player counts. Something about WoW's decline being very embarrassing for them to talk about. Thankfully, Star...
And then, boom.
Along with me. And while they're doing that, let me show you what I've done up here. I have my standard old 18 by 24 inch canvas, but you use whatever size you want.
And you can just keep adding more and more detail. It's almost unbelievable what you can create with just a big old knife.
My goal is to finish off all 3 power cores quickly. The attack waves are pure air and eventually become mass battlecruiser Banshee.
The fuck, dude?
There we go. And we lay a little color.
You know what a sidewalk is? Okay, what are you doing?
Pretty scary. After burrowing the Zerglings, I have access only to Kerrigan and a couple Hydralisks against a large group of infantry. After grabbing a queen...
Terror started to appear.
Well then, I'm gonna start pushing. Oh, and we got power build. Oh guys, so power build increases everything about a build. The only available option to hit air is the Stalker. At the 8-minute mark, the first mute is hit. Fit in with the Protoss, so I decide to snipe their final spire and move on. Unfortunately, moving on means going to shoot the messenger, where the...
Through. It's like a video game fatty burgling a sweet shop in the middle of the night. You just don't know which jar to stick your sweaty mitt into first.
They came in.
Apocalypse Ultimate. Toss in Mend for some healing, and you've got a Wrecking Ball, which is exactly what I need for Hand of Darkness. The Hybrid have quite a lot of health and strong area damage. Pass the Zerg into the Terran base
And I just ran a red. Fuck.